What are your biggest fears? Depending upon which survey you see, the results are often the same. A fear of spiders, a fear of heights, and the fear of public speaking. According to research done at the University of Tennessee at Knoxville, it has been estimated that 75% of all people experience some degree of anxiety or nervousness when it comes to public speaking. And if left untreated, this anxiety can lead to serious detrimental effects on your quality of life, your career, and other parts of your life. My name is Steve Gamlin. I am a professional speaker who grew up with, you guessed it, a fear of spiders. No, public speaking. See, I got embarrassed in front of all my classmates during the spelling bee in 7th grade. That's where it started for me. Withdrawing from being in the spotlight. And it hung over me like a cloud for many years. Over time, I decided that in order to follow my dreams of being on the radio, being a stand-up comedian, and eventually delivering positive messages to people just like you as a professional speaker, which I've now been doing for 16 years, I would need to dig deep and understand that I was being limited by those fears. And if you're hearing this message, you might be as well. My fears kept me from sharing things which I knew could help people and make them happier and more confident. I recently met someone who also started out shy and introverted, and we bonded over our similar journeys. Her name is Linda Duong. Linda is a self-leadership coach, a parenting coach, and an inspirational speaker, and author of a #1 international bestseller titled Connection, the Currency to Happiness. Like me, Linda learned that she would need to take action to build her confidence so that she could share her message with the world. We recently decided to create a virtual event to help people who are just like we were. People like you who might be struggling in the shadows to find the confidence to rise up and share your best self with the world, and even with the person in your mirror. We'll be discussing how you can strengthen your speaking with storytelling, how to use body language to enhance your message, how and why to add humor as part of your delivery, and how to structure your presentations for maximum impact. We promise no spiders and no excessive heights, unless you're sitting in a really tall chair. If this sounds like an event that could inspire you to go beyond the fears and limitations that you've been feeling, to bring some light into the shadows where you currently find yourself, that you've been wishing you could find a way to share yourself more confidently, the choice is simple. Click on the link provided and reserve your seat. Linda and I have been there, and because of the steps we've taken, we are now here, sharing the most authentic, genuine, and confident versions of ourselves every day. You can too. Click that link to get your journey started, and we'll see you there.